Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Ipsy Glam bag, the Ipsy original for the month of January. I've actually received the Ipsy Glam bag, the OG one, since March of 2015, so a very, very long time. I always feel like I get a great bang for my buck with subscription boxes, and I kind of always speak to this, that it's a really affordable and easy way to try and test tons of different brands, hair, makeup, skin, nails, all the things. It's a really affordable option too. For travel, if you're somebody that travels consistently, you can kind of have all these different travel minis and stuff like that to be able to travel with. It's also a really cool way if you have a new beauty who's dipping their toes in the spectrum of makeup, skincare, things like that. It's also a really affordable way for them to kind of dip their toes into that beauty world. So I'm gonna go in. I do not get spoilers, as you guys know. Oh, that bag feels weird. Whoa. Okay, I'm feeling something on top, so let me grab that out first. Oh, and I love me a good brush. Y'all already know. This is the IBY Highlight Brush. It is a beautiful kind of pearled white. It feels like it has a little bit of weight to it. I like a heavier brush. I do like the handle and stuff like that. I am actually going to take this out and just kind of see how they feel, or how it feels. Not my favorite in terms of density, so I'm just going to stick this right back in here. I'm very mindful about not wasting things. If I know for sure I'm not using something, I'm not going to mess with it. Happy to see it. I like seeing brushes. It just maybe doesn't feel quite as soft or quite as dense as what I personally like. All right, now to get this weird feeling bag out of here. That's really beautiful though. It's a beautiful quilted silver with a stunning like teal right here, and then the silver zipper pull. It feels nice though. It feels nice and like really well made and stuff. Okay, you will generally receive an informative card, and it will tell us what's on the inside as well. Of course, I'm not going to look at that just yet. Our theming for January 2026 is the year of yes. This is your year to say yes to it all. Experimenting with new eye looks, swiping on a fresh lip color, testing out the hottest new brand. No pressure, no perfection, just the joy of trying something new. And speaking of new eye looks, the palette of the day is the brand new NOMAD Cosmetics, the Paris La Bohème. I did receive this in PR, and I do have an affiliated code with NOMAD Cosmetics. It's RIRI10 for 10% off. It is now available, and I just wanted to create a third look. I already have two looks up. So that is the palette of the day. That is what is on my eyes. You guys generally ask, so I like to kind of throw it out there. All right, now back to the bag. Next up is the e.l.f. Cosmetics, the Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen in the shade In the Clear. And I do want to kind of see what this looks like. Again, if it's not something I think I'm going to use, I will not, swipe. I will not try it on or anything like that. And it's just a clear, like, plumping pen. I may test this out. If you've tried these, let me know. I will be fully transparent. I don't like to see very affordable drugstore brands in my Ipsy. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I just like to see something a little bit more elevated, I guess. All right, next up, this is the Daito, I guess, the matte loose powder. We will not be using that. I need something matte on my skin, like, I don't know, I would not use this, but I am happy to see it. Next up is the Blink Tubing Brow Juice. What a name, y'all. It doesn't have a color or anything. I have products open right now, so I will not open this just yet. And then last but not least, in my Ipsy Glam bag, the OG original Glam bag, is the by Rosie Jane Remy. Smells like bright mandarin, fresh cardamom, and white amber. Feels like a cozy cabin in the California mountains. Now, that one Rosie Jane fragrance we got a while back, it was not my favorite. I'm going to spray it. I'll spray it into the box. Keep in mind the dry down and stuff like that is obviously going to be different on a box than it is on the skin. But because I do have allergies and stuff like that and asthma, I try to be really cautious. I also get migraines very easily. That's a no for me, dog. Ooh, what am I? See, I love cardamom and mandarin. Maybe it's the amber I'm not liking, or maybe it's just a combination of them. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Now that it's setting down, I'm gonna be brave and put it on my arm. I'm gonna give it a second. We'll talk about I think I'm getting just a very strong something right at the very beginning of it. But as it was kind of drying down on the box, it smelled better. I'll give it a second. All right, first up, our Rosie Jane Remy perfume, designed to help you feel grounded and at ease. This inviting scent layers tart mandarin, fresh cardamom, and white amber for a soft, bright, and comfortingly modern vibe inspired by California's citrus groves and cozy winter beach walks. And maybe that's it. Maybe it was just, it's very punchy and very bright right at first, but the dry down is pretty nice. This obviously is a deluxe sample. The full size of this would have been $80. The Blink tubing brow juice. I've never seen a tubing brow product. I'm intrigued though. This first of its kind brow gel uses tubing technology to coat each hair in a lightweight, flexible layer that helps define, set, and nourish. Infused with peptides and natural extracts, the serum-like formula works double duty to keep brows looking fuller and feeling healthier over time. I'm excited about this. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $24. And I like that it kind of gives us the information on that. And if I do like this, I already kind of know going into testing this, hey, if I love this, it's $24. And I really like that. All right, next up was the IBY Beauty, the Highlight Powder Brush. This fluffy, tapered powder brush is perfectly shaped to apply blush to the apples of your cheeks, sweep on highlighter, and blend everything seamlessly for a natural, radiant finish. Of course, it's a full size, and it is $15, so that basically pays for the entirety of our bag. Next up, the e.l.f. Cosmetics Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen in the clear. That's a lot to say, y'all. This all-in-one lip plumper, gloss, and balm drenches lips in a sheer shine while plumping the appearance of the lips with an invigorating tingle. The juicy, non-sticky formula is infused with blueberry, watermelon, and pomegranate extracts. And this is a full size for $9. I might actually try it because now I'm intrigued. Y'all know I like, look, the tinglier, the better. I love it. I love it all. And then last but not least was the Dito, the Air Loose Powder in Translucent. Weightless and silky smooth, this powder helps to blur the look of pores and set makeup without adding extra heaviness, thanks to talc and mica. Designed to soak up excess shine, it keeps your skin looking fresh. This is actually a full size. Okay, maybe it's a full size mini for $8. So yeah, I think overall, I am going to give it a 5 out of 5. I do like the overall variation here. And there are, you know, obviously a few products that I really like. Actually, let me give it a 4. I love getting brushes and I love having a brush. I just know that I'm not going to use it. And now that the perfume has set, it's not bad. And I can see the appeal. And it smells much better upon the dry down than it did when I first sprayed it. Not something I would actively use or actively seek out. So those are my thoughts on that. The bag I think is super cute. And I do also kind of take the bag into consideration when I go to, you know, Walmart, Target, wherever, and I buy minis, because I do, you know, hear people kind of complain about like a $15-ish price point for Ipsy. When I go get just a generic makeup bag from somewhere, it's $2 and $3. When I go buy a little mini of something, the deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, they're anywhere from like $3 to $5. So for me, I see the value, and these are products that I do, you know, I could definitely see myself using this. But they're products that I do like to keep and travel with and stuff like that. We've gotten everything from shampoos. It runs the gambit. So for me, like I said, you guys, I wouldn't get the bag for 10 plus years if I didn't genuinely love getting the Ipsy Glam bag. I love it. I see the value for it. So yeah, that is it. Are we bag twins? I would like to know what you got in your bag. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can also hype this video. You can turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member to get some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.